Hey everyone! Today we're going through a complete guide on how to implement the Life Plan template in ClickUp. This powerful process provides a robust, pre-made structure for definitive goal setting, tracking personal milestones, and ensuring you stay aligned with your long-term vision. First, accessing ClickUp and logging in securely. The first step is gaining quick and secure access to your main workspace. Open a web browser and navigate directly to the ClickUp homepage. Find and click the Logging button, typically positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Choose Sign In with Google. This authentication method is preferred as it speeds up the login process and keeps your credentials secure. After successful authentication, you enter your primary ClickUp workspace. Next, selecting and applying the Life Plan template. We will use the built-in template library to instantly add a ready-made goal-setting framework. First, locate the specific list within your workspace where you want the new Life Plan to be housed. Click the three-dot menu, often called More Options, that is situated beside the chosen list name. From the resulting drop-down menu, select the Templates option. In the template search bar that opens, type Life Plan and then press Browse Templates to filter the results. Hover over a suitable template and click the Quick Use button. This action instantly adds the entire pre-made framework, including sections and milestones, into your workspace. Next, customizing goals and breaking down tasks. The next vital phase involves adapting the generic template to fit your specific personal objectives. Click the three dots next to each existing goal, select Rename, and input a descriptive, vision-aligned title. Review the existing tasks within the plan. Modify existing tasks or add new ones to accurately reflect your current priorities and up-to-date objectives. Critically, break down any larger goals by splitting them into smaller, more actionable steps, often using subtasks. This increases the plan's granularity and tractability. Next, reviewing, tracking, and maintaining the plan. A good plan requires continuous monitoring to stay effective. Actively use ClickUp's built-in tracking features to review every step you move toward your objectives and monitor milestone completion status. A milestone is a significant checkpoint indicating measurable progress. Ensure you clarify your objectives first and then prioritize the most important goals to address them earlier, improving focus. Commit to revisiting the Life Plan periodically. This allows you to adjust priorities as needed and add new goals or opportunities as they arise, keeping the plan dynamic and reflective of your current life stage. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.